Hey, is book publishing profitable? You guys have asked this multiple times, and I decided let's go a little bit deeper. Let's go a little bit further into how this works for you. So if you are new to my channel, we have 600 videos about how to publish. I've published over 504 books, but I wanted you to think about this as a skill set that you can monetize. Okay, so we're gonna actually go through the 9 or 10 ways how you can monetize this skill set, in addition to publishing low content, medium content, and even high content books on Amazon. So let's dive in. Number one is publishing your own books, right? And being able to use other platforms besides KDP. We have Ingram Spark, we have Barnes & Noble, and just going down the rabbit hole, I was talking to Dell Roberts. If you don't follow his channel, go check it out. He is doing an 8-book series, and he's publishing about publishing, and his book is available in more places than I have ever seen a self-publisher publish. So shout out to him for utilizing every platform and resource to serve every customer that is interested in self-publishing. Okay, so number one is diversifying your existing books. Okay, number two is ghostwriting. There's so many of you that are excited, you have stories, you have passion, you have a skill set to do this. Instead of maybe publishing your own books, maybe you want to actually just take a step behind the scenes and do work for somebody. I recently hired a developmental editor, and she found some flaws in my manuscript, and she was like, do you want me to write in this for you? And I was like, how cool is this that there are people that are passionate to do that? I said, no, thank you. This has to be my words. It's a personal brand project, but you can absolutely monetize your skill set of self-publishing with your ghostwriting skill set, right? Learning to ghostwrite. And if you struggle with this, there are plenty of books on Amazon about how to write. Some of you actually might have a niche or knack for it, okay? Number three. I love this one because you have the skill set. Sometimes you need a little momentum, so you can actually charge people to publish books for them. And I've been thinking about this a lot because I have so many peers that are 6-figure, 7-figure entrepreneurs that just don't have the time to learn Amazon as a pillar of self-publishing for their business like I have. And so my recommendation is, I've been thinking about how do I actually help people that know how to publish go out and serve other people by going out to them, reaching out to them and say, hey, let's repurpose this content. I know it's in demand on Amazon. Let's go. That's one cool thing about self-publishing with Amazon is you guys know keyword research. So I think I need to do a masterclass on this or something, because we could go really deep on publishing services, right? So this is you're formatting for people, or you're creating a coloring book for people, or this is actually even a really great opportunity for those of you that maybe have had your account terminated and you love publishing. You're gonna do this instead, okay? I actually have someone that had their account shut down, and they are so artistic that I was like, you should look into Creative Fabrica. Maybe you could be an artist that actually contributes to everyone who has a Creative Fabrica subscription, right? Bring in the fun. Number 4 is you can consult people. You can literally just help them through the process as they want to learn, right? And I think this is really powerful because once my little sister published a book, I was like, if she can do it, I want to do it too. And I went down the rabbit hole and I didn't stop, right? She's published 2. I helped her with 1. But she started before me, she inspired me, and then I was like, now I've done 504 books. So because I've done, is this me lifting muscle? Because I have done the publishing process, 504 reps, I have the skill set to go and do it, right? Number 5, affiliate marketing, right? Amazon allows you to actually put links in your book. You can't use Amazon associate links, but you can actually take people to a landing page where they can learn about the products that you're doing. So you can help people do that by putting their offers together in content that makes it digestible. And we do know that not all people watch YouTube videos. If I know you're here, I love you. Thank you for being here. There's some people they choose to learn through book format. And I think that's incredible in itself. There is some statistics about people who read books make more money. People who listen to podcasts have a higher salary than people that listen to radio. That's not if that's not a clue in to get on audio and ACX, I don't know what is. Okay, you can also, when you learn publishing, this would be number 6, you could do content licensing. So if you are an artist and maybe you don't want to publish a bunch on Amazon, but you want to give licensing to people to do things, I think that's incredible. That's a great opportunity for those of you that are so good at AI and prompting AI to do coloring pages and start selling those on Etsy, Creative Fabrica, or even your own site. I think that's that's incredible. When you have the skill set, you're able to do, let me see, I don't have it here. You're able to do collaborations. I'll have to show you a collaborative book that I did. I don't have it here. It's upstairs. A big stack is upstairs. Being able to do collaborations has been so fun for me to help other people become #1 bestseller. I had a friend, she like started crying when we hit #1, and I was so desensitized to it. I was like, let's do it again, because I've done it probably 12 times. That being said, it never gets old to be able to help somebody establish authority, okay? And if you have the skill set, you're in a great position to do that. The other part is like, think about book related products. I joined a program where I wanted to maybe make my book in leather because it was selling so well on Amazon. And then I learned about like making bookmarks, doing all these other things in the book publishing space, but wasn't necessarily KDP. So just think about how your passion for self-publishing can really open it up for you to do more. I think that is like 9. If I would say like the last one is being able to think about focusing on this as a skill set just for certain niches, right? Like we know certain things are in demand on Amazon. And so reaching out to people that are experts in that field and like let them know like, hey, your competition sells a book that like makes $200 a day. You want to compete? Let's go. Here's my price. Let's do it. Now, there's a lot of different things you need to talk about with this person. Are you going to publish in your account? Are you going to publish in their account? Are you going to charge an upfront fee? Are you going to split royalties? You need to think of that. I can't tell you that because everyone's different. I prefer to not have other people's content in my account. I prefer to have an upfront charge, but guess what? I have done stuff for free for people that I like, know, and trust too. So you think about this, but I just wanted you to get your mind wrapped around the idea that like you've done all these push-ups, you're good at push-ups now. Why don't you go help other people do push-ups and you can get paid? So if this video helped you, put your favorite parts, put one of the list of 1 to 9 or 10 that I shared of what you loved, and let me know how I can help you guys. I always say like, I love you. And I think that we let ourselves get in our own way. And it doesn't have to be this way. When you learn a skill set, go monetize it, go create that life you want. Love you guys. See you in the next video. Peace out.